Hi, everybody. I'm Dr. Daniel Galchak, special education teacher, university faculty, and co-founder of Koi Education. Today, we're going to be talking about our progress monitoring tool, ProMo for short. And the progress monitoring tool helps us monitor the progress our students are making on all of their Tier 2 or Tier 3 interventions. The very first sheet lists the instructions, and there's instructions about all of the different sheets that you'll find at the bottom of the page. There's information about how to collect your daily progress, your weekly progress, and how to calculate your monthly percent recording. But I'd like to look at the very bottom of the screen, which really gives us a broad perspective of the goals of progress monitoring. That is number one. We collect daily progress every time the student receives an intervention. That daily progress moves into the weekly progress, so we can assess trends and patterns of behavior. That weekly progress data feeds our monthly percent responding data so that we can make decisions about our intervention to identify which interventions are working and which interventions need to be tweaked to become more effective. I'm going to look at the very bottom sheet, and I'm going to scroll to the right to our student data. This is where we collect our daily progress report. Whether that daily progress report is on paper or you're collecting it electronically, you can transfer the information here. So every single day, you record the number of points possible for the student to earn, whether it's check in, check out, social skills, social emotional learning, an academic intervention, group counseling, whatever intervention you're doing, you can record it here. Simply record what the intervention is, and then record the points earned. For any given student, you can record multiple interventions on this one sheet. So if you scroll down the page, you can continue to copy and paste these charts. One of the great things is that the percent is calculated automatically, and then that percent is then graphed automatically as well. Once you've collected a whole week of data on your student, the weekly average is calculated automatically. As the program coordinator, you're going to take this average and paste it into the weekly progress report for all of the students receiving that intervention for this particular week. The program coordinator for social skills, for the academic groups, or any other interventions can also record on this one sheet. So the ProMo tool is a team tool so that all of your data is in one place. Once you record your students, simply color code them: red for not responding and not meeting their goal that week, green for responding, and then do the math. 4 students, 3 responding, the percent responding is calculated automatically. You're going to take this percent responding and transfer it to the monthly percent responding report. In this case, the program coordinator is going to calculate all the students that received a particular intervention that month. They're going to identify the number of students responding to that intervention, and that will automatically give you your monthly percent responding rate for that intervention. And as you can see, you can record every single intervention that you're providing on your campus. The monthly percent responding is calculated automatically. So again, as a team, you can look at long-term trends and patterns to identify which interventions are working and which interventions maybe you need to do some additional retraining for your staff, for your students, and for your families. We hope this progress monitoring tool will be an asset for you. Thanks for watching.